we can come over and access the little MagSafe charging area right here. We can actually plug the laptop in while it's still in the sleeve. So here we go. Let's line up that MagSafe right there. And voila, now it is charging in the sleeve. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Native Union Stow Lite sleeve for none other than my beautiful 16-inch M1 Pro 2021 MacBook Pro right here. So without further ado, let's get to getting this sleeve out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. And as you can see, it's a pretty minimalist box because we have the whole sleeve right here sticking out. Over here it says Native Union Stow Lite sleeve. It says it is for the MacBook Pro 15-inch 2016 to 2019 and the MacBook Pro 16-inch. So I do have the MacBook Pro 16-inch. Over here on the back, let's see what it says about it. We've got a picture of a guy carrying it. It says it's designed for MacBook Pro 16-inch and MacBook Pro 15-inch. Hard-wearing textile with padded interior for 360-degree protection, minimalist form-fitting design with genuine leather details, and water-repellent zipper for extra protection from the elements. All that sounds very good. So anyway, let's just get this guy out of the box. Now, be careful, guys. This is going to be a very difficult unboxing. Here we go, and voila, that was easy. Just kidding. So yeah, and that's all that's in this box right here. So we can go ahead and put this guy to the side, and then here is the actual sleeve itself. So yeah, over here on the back it says, let's see, Native Union. Over here we've got a zipper that also says, believe it or not, Native Union. Let's unzip this and see what the inside looks like. So here it says once again, Native Union. I guess that makes sense. And yeah, what is this? It says get the VIP treatment, extend your warranty by 12 months, and get priority customer support by registering your product. Okay, that's good to know. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. It looks like we've got nothing. Okay, so let's put my MacBook Pro inside. So here we go. We got the 16-inch MacBook Pro right here, and as you guys know, this is a heavy laptop right here, so we just got to sort of maneuver it into this sleeve right here, and voila, fits perfectly. That's pretty awesome right there. And then let's go ahead and zip this guy shut, and voila, now my MacBook Pro is ready to be put in a backpack to travel with, and it's all nice and protected. That's awesome. So now one kind of cool thing you can do is actually unzip it a little bit over here on this side, and then we can come over and access the little MagSafe charging area right here. We can actually plug the laptop in while it's still in the sleeve. So here we go. Let's line up that MagSafe right there. And voila, now it is charging in the sleeve. So I think that is pretty cool too. And I mean, yeah, guys, first impressions, the only complaints I have about this sleeve right here are that I don't really like the feeling of it. The texture, I prefer if it was like softer or smoother. It just got sort of like a rough feeling on it. And I also would like if it had maybe another pouch to put the MagSafe charger in if you want to bring that in your laptop sleeve. But I mean, for the price of this sleeve right here, you can't really complain too much because it's really not that expensive. It'll only set you back about $40. So for that price, it definitely gets the job done of being a sleeve to put your laptop in. So anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Native Union Stow Lite sleeve right here. If you want it for yourself, once again, it will set you back about $40. And yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this sleeve. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.